Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide a brief overview of the Broken Links report and how to see broken link data within the Raptor web crawler and our SEO tools package. Now once you log in, you'll go to the project's home screen, simply navigate to a project, and from here you can navigate to any specific site within that project. And from here you can go to a number of different places to see information about broken links. So in the SEO audit section, you'll see under the linking tab top level information about the number of broken links versus internal working links. And from here you can click on this to go through to more information. Now if you go to the reporting page and select a site from the drop-down menus and click Go, that'll take you through to the data for that particular site and for the latest crawl. From here, under the indexation category, you'll see we have 400 pages, 500 pages, and inaccessible pages. So clicking on any of these numbers will take you through to a page where you can see more information about this. You can increase the amount of pages or URLs that are shown on any particular screen. Here you'll see the page and the status code of that, so whether it's a 400 or a 500 or so forth, and you can download that as a CSV file by clicking this button here. So this is how to view the data online. If you want to create a broken links report, you simply go to the export tab here, and from here you can build and then download a broken links report. Now what this will look like is an Excel file like this, which is broken into 3 tabs that include 400 errors, 500 errors, and any redirects. Now what this report shows you is the broken link itself and then the status code of that link. So in this case it's a 404, and then in this column it will show you all of the locations throughout your whole site where that particular broken link is found. So using this report here, you can very easily find the location of all the broken links on your website. In the 500 tab, although there's no data in this because we don't have any 500 errors on this particular crawl, you'll see the exact same information. And on the redirect tab, you'll see again this very same information. So the URL that redirects, the status code of that redirect, the location that it redirects to, and the location that you'll find the original link on. So these are the primary ways in which you can use our tool to find broken links in your site and download reports and to use that to fix those errors. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.